this guy. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. This is our dummy that we use for testing our showers, but that's a quality control thing. Let's go take a look. I'll tell you what we're going to do this morning. $13.99, the latest from Marathon, is coming out in about 3 weeks. This coach right here is a new X3. I say the latest, I guess I mean the latest X3. This is going to be a fantastic coach. It has some unique features inside. I'm going to show you those right now. This coach, when we get inside, you'll be able to see that there is a lot going on in it. So keep in mind there's a lot of dust, and we're still working through that element of it. But it'll be going to quality control in about a week, and it's going to be completed probably around mid-December, maybe right before that, maybe early December. But let's go inside. I want to show you some of the really cool features of this floor plan in this X3, because storage, which is something I've been hearing a lot about from you guys. Let's go take a look at storage. Okay, jumping into $13.99. We're going to talk about storage because this coach has it. This is a really unique floor plan for the X3. Like I was saying earlier before we went on camera, I love how this was selected. This is a really nice, solid grain. This grain is really strong. I also like how the styles and the valances are exactly the same. I don't appreciate it as much when they're two different tones or something. Anyway, let's look at storage throughout this coach. First of all, you know, up here you got the fireplace, you got the occasional table with the one recliner here. Of course, this recliner pivots around. It's not a recliner, this is the co-pilot seat. This will pivot around to be part of your salon. But good storage all over in here, but that's not the storage I want to really show you. Here we are in the galley, and of course you've got great storage above and below when it comes to the galley of this coach. But take a look at this. Look at this wall. This is something we haven't seen before. Your refrigerator is right here, okay? You've got the fridge, freezer below. Take a look at this. If I hit pantry door, which is your top button right here, take a look at what opens up here. This is a galley storage. Take a look at the size of this shelving. Is that not amazing? And I can see that they're already categorizing it for quality control with all the stickers. But you've got, what, 5 really big adjustable shelves on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you've got good size shelves. I believe these are 6-inch wide. And you've got 7 of these. That's massive. This is really a ton of storage that we don't see quite often in the pantry. And it's all behind this really tastefully done wall, because it just becomes part of the wall. And when you push that away, it develops into great storage. All right, let's keep going, because another thing about this floor plan, and this X is a single bath. So you've got the commode and sink or the water closet on the right-hand side, or my right-hand side, which is actually the curbside patio side. And then on the driver's side, you've got this beautiful shower that's coming together right now. And you see that backlit feature is already lit up. But one of the cool things about this, and something that we haven't done in maybe a year or so, is this is a pocket door. It's not a swing door shower. It's a pocket door, and you can see how the glass right there is exposed, and it will slide against this. That's really fantastic. A lot of people like the pocket door, glass door showers. Very cool. All right, into the bedroom here. Tons of storage here. So one of the things that before we went live, Michelle and I were looking at is, as soon as you walk in on the curbside, look at the size of this closet. Huge. I mean, I can get in there, and I will. So take a look at that. This is a big closet. As soon as you walk in to the bedroom on the curbside or the patio side, you've got this huge closet right there. Tons of storage underneath here. Look at this. Underneath the sink, it's got the occasional sink, which is what I call it. Look at that. Oh, these are cool. Take a look at this, you guys. I like the style of that too. Fully adjustable on all of these shelves. Above, on the side of the TV, tons below, You've already seen that big closet. Take a look at this. Look at this shirt closet over here. Shirt closet and 4 drawers below. And these are long, deep drawers. You got 4 of those. That's on the driver's side. On the side of the bed, you got 2 of these guys. And then another thing is, you think this is just a wall, but you open it up, and this is kind of your bank of controls. Everything from your inverters to your ACs to your heated floor controls are behind there. And of course, your breakers. Air conditioning just turned on. That's fantastic. But take a look in here. Rear closet. Just when you think we're done with all the storage, washer dryer here, hanger bar back over here for long hangs. And then behind me, you've got a 3-foot hanger bar here, a 2-foot hanger bar here, storage decks on both sides, and then all of these drawers back here. And one of the nice things about our X3s now is we're actually putting drawers and all this storage back here in the rear closet and not having to use this for audio-visual. There are just tons of storage. Michelle just pointed this out. Take a look at this. More pull-out storage. This is perfect for like shower supplies, towels, and these are fully adjustable. Very typical of a Marathon is fully adjustable. In the water closet, on the back side of the commode, you've got shelving. You've got this guy right here, more shelving. And that's because the breakers and the controls that we just saw back by that rear closet were moved from here back there. Storage above and below. Very cool. Sounds like they're working down underneath the bay. But anyway, this pocket door in the shower is going to be nice to see when it's done. Really beautiful style in Coach 1399. But the really cool thing that stood out to me, let's take a look at this faucet. Oh yeah, that's cool. Take a look at that. Isn't that a neat style? It goes very well with this coach. Isn't that nice? That's Coach 1399, you guys. This is going to be one of those coaches that a lot of people are going to want to see, and someone's going to love having this coach as theirs. If you're looking to get into a new marathon, malw at marathoncoach.com, MALW at marathoncoach.com. Reach out to me. Let's get you into a newer pre-owned marathon. I am going to go check out a few other things on this coach. You guys take care of yourselves, be yourself, do good things, and we'll see you next Monday. All right.